Imagine your Instagram post coming to life. In this Canva tutorial, I will show you how to create a creative overlap animation effect that will stop the scroll and wow your audience. Open your Canva and go to videos. I will choose mobile video. Upload your video, or I will go to element and use this active adventure area perspective video. First, I will make it faster. I will make it 2 on the speed, enter. And then I will increase the size to fit the page. I'll move it here and then double click on this video. I will increase the size. So they will start from here. And then click done. Now I will add an Instagram bar. I will go to my previous design. You can see how to make it here in this video. I will copy it. And then I will paste it here. Move to the center. And then I will change the logo with this, for example, channel. I will change the name. And change the caption. And then you can change the number. Okay, I will stop here. Now select the video again and then duplicate. Place the duplicate right on the origin, so they have same position. And then click widget remover. Okay, and then I will crop it. And then download as MP4 and download. So now you have it. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed this tutorial and subscribe for more Canva tips. And before you go, don't forget to check my Gumroad store for exclusive Canva templates. Links in the description. See you in the next video and have fun with Canva.